Yes.
My Lord, I seek your indulgence in mentioning item number 8, part 2. My Lord, this make appeal, can it be taken up again on this Thursday? I also taking the consent of the other party.
Part 2, item number
8.
Mac appeal.
Yes, my Lord.
Okay, let's see. Thursday.
Obliged, my Lord.
May I seek your lordship's indulgence in mentioning part 2, item number 2, my lord. Although this is a fixed matter, my lord, my senior has some personal difficulties, my lord. So if this matter
Part 2, item number
2, my lord.
2. Yes, fixed for today. Yes.
Yes, my lord. My senior has some personal difficulties, my lord. So if this matter may kindly be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord.
My lords, I must state my objection. This has been adjourned many a times, my lords, by the other side, on this ground or the other.
Okay, we'll give them this thing another chance anyways.
My lords may give only 1 week, my lords. This has been going for 2 weeks.
We'll fix during the month of March sometime. Okay. Mr. Jordan Roping Thanga, learned counsel for the appellant is present along with Miss So-and-so appearing on behalf of her senior Mr. J.C. Lal Nunsanga, learned counsel for private respondents, is it? Number 1 and 2. The learned counsel for the private respondents have prayed for adjournment of the matter, which is objected by the learned counsel for the appellant by submitting that the counsel for the respondent have prayed for adjournment several times and that no more adjournments may be granted. Full stop. On considering the submissions made, this court find it appropriate to, in the interest of justice, to list the matter again on.
My lords, last week of February, if possible.
No. During March.
My lords, let it come on
First week of March, my lord.
Give a date so that
5th, my
the
lords.
council will be there on. What is 5th Thursday? Okay. 05/03/2026. Yes.
A punch.
Formation. Item number 1.
Your Lordship, if Your Lordship can kindly permit us to make an attempt for disposal of this matter at this stage. This is a simple matter regarding rejection of the amendment application filed by us. We are the plaintiff in the trial court, and after pleadings are completed, issues were framed, and thereafter, before filing of the examination in chief on affidavit, we presented one application for amendment of the plaint. And it was rejected on 2 grounds. The first ground being that, Your Lordship, the first ground is that trial has already commenced, but our contention will be trial is not yet commenced. Framing of issues only is not the commencement of the trial. Because filing of the examination in chief on affidavit is the trial.
Issues framed.
Issues framed.
Okay.
And there is, I will be relying upon the decision of the Honorable Apex Court. And the second point will be regarding due diligence. Due diligence was not made out from our side. There is the opinion of the trial court. However, if we look at the proviso 2 or the 6 Rule 17, amendment of the CPC, amendment of the plaint, due diligence question will come only when the trial commenced. So liberal view has to
Okay,
be, yes.
only when trial commences.
Yes.
Okay.
So we are at the first item, my lord. Whether
So, framing of issues, after the framing of issues, before evidence is adduced, can we say that trial has commenced, isn't it?
Yes.
So, definition of when does the court consider trial to have commenced? So,
Yes.
yes. Counsel for the, can we dispose of today?
My lord.
Okay, give me this thing, site judgment. Oh, let's look at the impugned this thing order first.
Yes. My lord, first of all, if I may be allowed to make a contention regarding the maintainability because the other side is raising maintainability. I'm filing this under Article 227 Constitution of India. And regarding that, Your Lordship, first of all, I may take Your Lordship to that one judgment, two judgments, my Lord. 2005 Volume 5 SCC 527.
I think we'll this thing, fix a short date
My
in the
Lord.
month of March.
My Lord,
Okay.
yes.
Because I think this needs to be.
Yes, it may take some
I
time.
I don't think I'll be able to dictate my order in the court, that's all.
Yes.
I think I'll have to reflect a bit. Then I have no time for that. Heard Mr. Abila Ramenga, learned counsel for the petitioner, along with Mr. C. Tlang Lima, learned counsel for private respondent.
Private respondent number 5.
5, and Ms. Caroline K. Lalungoipi, learned government advocate for the state respondents. On the submissions made by the learned counsels for both the parties, list the matter on, let's fix a date. You see, the first issue, whether trial had commenced or not, that's simple, but maintainability, we'll have to look a little bit
Yes.
into it. That's why. Yes.
So, my Lord, it may be taken up on 17th of March.
Okay, on 17/03/2026.
Much obliged.
Item 2.
Yes, Lordship. The state has not filed the affidavit till date.
Yes, state, what is going on?
My affidavit within this week.
Okay.
Lordship, the thing is that we have annexed the WPC number 97 of 2023, which is at Annexure 26, page number
So you're
131.
saying it's a covered matter?
Yes, my lord. It's a similar situated then.
Then why are you filing the affidavit? It's not covered? Who's handling the matter? Okay, where is she? So find out, all you have to see is whether this matter is covered or not. If it is a covered matter, what is the matter about? Compensation?
Yes, my lord.
Then,
Under PMGSY. Luangma to Vaisam in Nonglai district.
okay, so acquisition of land, you're saying has
Yes.
to be done under the
Yes, my
fair compensation, whatever, huh? The 2013 Act.
Yes, my lord.
So you're saying it's covered by which judgment?
Annexure number 23, page number 131 to 137.
So get instructions whether it's covered or not. If it's covered, we'll dispose of in the next court date. If it is not covered, then you'll have to file a counter. Isn't it? If not, we're just wasting court's time. We can dispose of these small matters, isn't it? Anyways, since she's not handling the case,
Yes,
she
madam.
might not know whether it's covered or not. Heard Ms. Lalropari, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents, full stop. The learned government advocate submits that they will be filing, submits that this matter is being handled by Ms. Lal Nunlui, learned government advocate, who is on legs in the other court and has therefore prayed for adjournment. Full stop. Ms. Lal Nunlui, learned counsel for the petitioner, okay, submits that this is a covered matter when, wherein the facts and circumstances of the case is similar with those of
The petitioner is in WPC 97 of 2023.
those of WPC 124, is it?
No, my lord, 97.
Page?
Annexure 131, page number 131.
Then why have you annexed this thing, 101, Annexure 21. Here is one judgment of a coordinated bench of this court.
Yes, my,
Where have you annexed all these judgments?
My lord, if I may, my lord.
Huh?
We have annexed these judgments because these judgments have passed an order directing payment of compensation in respect of constructions of road under PMGSY scheme. My lord.
No. So you're saying
That is
they are covered matters, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Covered in so WPC number 124/2023, dated
We are particularly, my lord,
11/06/2024,
covered under-
and which one?
WPC number 97 of 2023,
Page
page number 131.
131. So since you have annexed everything, let's
Yes,
mention all
yes.
that.
My lord.
And WPC number 97/2023, dated 23/01/2024.
My lord, in fact, the petitioners in WPC number 97 of 2023 have received the compensation
Okay,
amount.
anyway, covered matter, full stop.
Yes.
In view of the above new para submission, the learned government advocate is to get necessary instructions whether the instant writ petition is a covered matter by the next court date. Okay.
My lord, if last chance may be given, because this is 2024
No, no,
matter.
they'll find out whether it's covered. If it's not covered, then they'll give their this thing and write their counters. If it's covered, next court date we can dispose of. Isn't it? That's
that-
the matter, huh?
That has been given since last year, my lord.
No, let's see. Have you mentioned covered matter?
Yes, my lord.
So list the matter. No, here. Ms. L. Nunlui, this is an order dated 1408. Ms. L. submits upon its received that the instant case is not covered by the
My lord.
judgment and dated.
Yes,
So-
the only reason why that submission was made is that, my lord, the petitioners in WPC number 97 of 2023, they are land settlement certificate holders.
Anyways, whatever, it's not
Whereas
covered.
I am
So,
Giridik Patah holders.
okay, cancel that part, covered matter, okay. It's a covered matter, so and so. It is, however, seen that the learned government advocate had submitted that the instant case is not covered by the previous judgments of the coordinate bench of this court. And so, in view of the above, the state respondents are to file their counter affidavit positively by the next court date, okay, failing which this court shall pass appropriate orders. List after 1 week, while during this week, okay, then we'll
My lord, my lord.
Item 3.
Very pleased, Your Lordship. Respondents are yet to file their affidavits.
Who are the respondents?
State government and
Okay,
Union of India,
then
my
this
lord.
court's last order, this court has observed that the petitioner may also consider in pleading pay and accounts officer, pension section, All India Radio. Consider, do you feel that this person is necessary?
My lord, if the respondent did not file their affidavit,
Okay, you still
as-
don't know.
as to whether the pay and account officer is a necessary party or not,
Okay,
we
so
cannot-
who's, yes, who's the
CGC, madam.
respondents? CGC?
yes.
Where's CGC?
My lord, on 13 January, last chance was given. This
But
is
she has to
regarding
be there.
family pension.
Now here, learned CGC in the last date, that is January, submits that the matter is under process.
My lord.
That is what? Under process means to pay the pension money most probably. We'll make a time being matter. There's the CGC. Yes, Ms. Zainam Sangpui, your case, your matter has come up. Pension matter, we have to dispose this fast. We cannot keep, yes,
I'll be filing today my affidavit.
okay, today. Mr. Lalsan Lianakyante, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. Zairam Sangpui, learned CGC for respondent number 2, who submits that she will be filing the affidavit today. In view of the above submission, list the matter again in the next week.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 4.
Yes. State. No one is present for the petitioner, isn't it? None appeared for the petitioner on call, while Ms. Zairam Sangpui, learned CGC for respondent number 1, and Mr. Samuel Vanlal Shetha Changte, learned
Standing counsel,
a standing counsel for respondents number
2 to 4 months.
2 to 4 are present. It is seen that the respondents number 2 to 4 have filed their counter affidavit. Who is state? Are you also here?
So, no, then there.
The yes, Zainam Sangpui, are you going to fight? Okay, 2 to 4 have okay. I've already filed their counter affidavit along with the state respondents. Full stop.
I'm still awaited comment, then we may not be filing
Okay.
affidavit. my lord.
Since none appeared for the petitioner, matter be listed again after 2 weeks.
Item 5.
APC Lordship. My lord, PCR is received. So it may be fixed as admission hearing after in the month of March, my lord.
Okay, this is, okay, PCR has arrived. The matter can be listed for hearing, is it?
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
What are the, this thing, substantial questions of law?
At page 193A, my lord.
But it's not been reflected here, is it?
That is my
Oh,
proposal.
yes, already reflected, huh?
Yes.
Oh. Mr. Rabiak Nunga Namte, learned counsel for the appellant is present along with Mr. RK, is it?
H. Lalswana.
Pardon?
H. Lalswana.
Okay, along with Mr. H. Lalswana, learned counsel for respondent number? How many respondents? No, there are 2 respondents. For respondent number 1. For the respondents, let's make it. Okay. It is Mr. Laltan Kima and another. So there are 2 respondents.
My lord, I am for respondent.
How many respondents are there? Let's see.
Yes, yes.
Laltan Kima and the secretary, village council.
Yes, number 2 is pro forma.
Okay, for respondent number 1. It is seen that respondent number 2 is the former respondent and not duly represented. Since TCR has arrived, matter may be listed for hearing. during the second week of March 2020.
Deeply obliged.
Item 6.
Yes, Lordship, in this case, as per the office note dated 9/2/2026, etiquette has not returned from the sole respondent.
Who is the respondent?
There is
What is the resident adjusting address? Robert something.
Yes, my lord. ITI Mwalpui.
Hmm.
So if
So we will wait, or you want to take steps through
if
dusty
service may
mode?
be awaited, Lordship,
Okay.
and
Ms. Lalopari, Learned Counsel for the appellant is present. Then it is seen that AD card, return of AD card from respondent number 1 is still awaited. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
yes, deeply obliged.
Item 7.
Your Lordship, in this matter, I may take 1 week's time to file a short rejoinder. I have received the affidavit of opposition. My Lord, if Your Lordship could kindly permit us to take up the matter again on 24th of this month, because the petitioner will be retiring in the month of February this year.
You file your rejoinder first, and then we'll see, then another date will have to be fixed for admission hearing, isn't it? Anyways, Mr. Bilal Ramega, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, is present along with Mr. Seal Al-Faqzola, Learned Counsel for respondents number
2 to 4.
2 to 4, and
Lordship,
Ms.
for respondent
Caroline.
number 1,
Kelal
we have not yet
Walpur.
received Paraguay's comments.
You want to file your Learned Counsel for the state respondents number 1. What? What is the dispute about?
This is regarding challenging of the alteration of date of birth, my Lord.
Date of birth.
Yes. And
Then-
last occasion also, the Learned GA informed this honorable court that I think, if I'm not mistaken, she will not be filing, because this is in between the petitioner and the Apex Bank
Depart-
only.
Okay,
Apex
Apex
Bank
Bank.
only.
Then what do you have to say, isn't it? Anyways, you give a final chance, get instructions. The learned government advocate has prayed for another date to file their counter affidavit. So, affidavit while, okay, instead of full stop, comma, while the learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for time to file his rejoinder affidavit to the counter affidavit filed by respondents number 2 to 4. In view of the above, final chance may be given to the government advocate to file their counter affidavit, if any. Meanwhile, rejoinder affidavit may be filed by the counsel for the petitioner. List,
On 24th, my Lord.
okay, as sought for, list on 24/02/2026.
Much obliged.
For orders. Item 8.
Maybe His Lordship. My Lord, as per the office note dated 9/2/26, AD card in respect of the respondents, both the respondents are still awaited, my Lord.
Then we'll wait for some time.
My Lord.
Okay, Mr. Benjamin So-and-so, learned counsel for the applicant / appellant is present. Full stop. It is seen that return of AD card is still awaited. In view of the above, list the matter again after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 9.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, although my name is mentioned as counsel for respondent, yet I cannot represent CBI in this particular case because petitioner or appellants were once my client in the trial court.
Okay.
So after all, so I cannot appear against them at this stage.
Then notice has to be served to the CBI again. Have you informed?
My lord, this morning I have spoken to Mrs. Zarim Sampui, the Lanet CJ. She will be able to take up the receive the notice. So in the meantime, I'll
You'll
serve.
be able to receive? Yes,
I'll
Zarim
serve the-
Sankwe. Wait, let her speak for herself.
Yes, yes.
Don't put the words in her
Yes.
mouth. Will you able to receive
Yes,
as of CBI? No problem, no, yes. Mr. Bilal Ramega, learned counsel for the applicant is present, applicant slash appellant, okay, is present along with Mr. Rempluanga, learned counsel, who submits that though he had been appointed as the standing counsel for CBI, however, he is not able to take up the instant case since the applicant was previously his client. Full stop. In view of the above, Ms. Zarim Sampui, learned CGC, submits that she will accept notice on behalf of the respondents slash CBI. Then necessary copies of the interlocutory application to be duly furnished to the learned CGC representing the, instead of representing on behalf of the respondent slash CBI. Okay. List the matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, ma'am. Hello, batch.
Supplementary cost list. Formation, item 10.
May I please, Lordship?
Whether
Lordship,
you're
I'm
willing to have the matter referred to mediation or not, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I got instruction that I have no objection, Lordship, if the matter is referred for the mediation.
Mediation.
My
So,
Union of India also agreed with.
Okay.
Agreed, yes, Lordship.
10, Mr. B. Chakma, is it? Learned
Lordship.
counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. Zarim Sangpui, learned CGC for respondents number 2 and 3, and Ms. Mary L. Kiante, learned government advocate for the state respondents. Full stop. The learned counsels for both the parties submit that they have no objection if the matter is referred to mediation. Full stop. In view of the above, matter to be referred for mediation, full stop, registry to do the needful. Yes.
Item 11.
Lordship, item number 11, similar order may be possible.
Same order. Okay.
Same order.
For orders, item 12.
Humbly obliged.
Yes, RFA between two private parties. Are you related?
No, my lord.
Not
I'm for
related?
respondent number 1. We have no objection, my lord. I have instruction from my
Okay,
client.
but the appellant. Okay, previously, Mr. Victor L. Ralte had submitted they have no objection. Are you the junior of Victor?
Yes, my lord.
Oh, then who is for the, who is for the appellant? They're important.
Shri Pathak, it's written in the cost list.
So we cannot refer this matter in the absence of the appellant, isn't it? So should we fix another date or will this thing, what is the matter about? Related? No.
No.
Okay. Miss so-and-so, B. Lalram Nemi, learned counsel for the respondent is present while none appeared for the appellant. In view of the above, it appears that this matter cannot be referred for mediation in the absence of the appellant. Full stop. Then matter be listed for orders in the orders column. It's in the orders column.
Yes,
is it?
Lordship.
Okay. In the orders column after 3 weeks.
Item 13.
Yes,
Your
who is
Lordship,
for the, yes, are we
From
reading?
our side, we agree to refer the matter for mediation. Madam.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, Mr. Bilaram, this, learned counsel for the appellant is present along with Ms. Dinari, learned counsel for the respondents, full stop. Both the counsels submit that they have no objection if the matter is referred for mediation. Stop. In view of the above, matter to be referred to mediation. Same order, okay? Registry to do the needful.
So obliged.
Item 14.
Yes, are you willing or no?
Yes, my lord. We are willing from our side.
You are willing. Appellant is willing. What about the respondents?
Your Lordship, the state do not have any objection.
Is there any private this thing respondent?
Your Lordship.
Private.
Swarab Pradhan.
The private this thing will have to agree also. State will have nothing to do. Anyways, we can still refer. What is the dispute? Are they related?
Yes, my
Are
lord.
the parties related in any way?
Yes, my lord.
How are they related? Mother, daughter,
I'm
brothers,
really
what?
not. I'm really not sure, my lord.
You should know your case. Anyways. How are they related? Oh. So first, before that, they had gone to, referred to Lok Adalat. Okay, previously the matter was referred to Lok Adalat. Okay, they could not settle the matter in Lok Adalat, and then there was this prayer made that since the matter was heard extensively by Justice Nelson, the matter may be placed before him. I will refer the matter to this thing. Mediation. Even in their absence. If they don't come, then it's a different matter. Okay. Miss so-and-so, learned counsel, is present on behalf of her senior Mr.
Eflil Eng Liana.
Eflil Eng Liana, learned counsel for the appellant, along with Miss Mary El Khiangte, learned government advocate for the state respondents. None appeared for the private respondents. The learned counsels submit that they have no objection if the matter is referred to mediation. Full stop. This court, new para, finds that the parties had previously made an attempt to come to a settlement. No, this court finds that this matter was previously referred to Lok Adalat. However, parties could not come to any settlement, and therefore it may be appropriate if the parties make another attempt to come to some settlement through mediation. Accordingly, matter to be referred for mediation, registry to do the needful. Okay. I think they almost came to some settlement, and they want the matter to be heard again by Justice Nelson because he had considered the matter Lok Adalat, which may not be appropriate. Okay. What is the last thing? Before registry to do the needful, before that. Before that. Okay. Okay, could not come to any settlement. And therefore a second attempt, okay, may be made. Okay, then we'll refer.
Item 15.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, I have no objection from my side. I'm R1 and 2. Respondent 1 and 2.
Private, isn't it?
Private.
Yes.
Respondent number 3 is Alrin Lalomzwala. I don't know. I don't think he's objected because they are brother and sisters.
Brothers and sisters, huh? Yes.
Yes, Your
No
Ladyship.
objection?
Yes, no objection.
Miss, is your name here in the cause list? No.
No.
Miss so-and-so appears on behalf of her senior, Mr. C. Laramzava, learned senior counsel for the appellate, along with Miss Denari Tiazu, learned counsel for respondent number 1 and 2. Full stop. It is seen that none appeared for respondent number 3. The learned counsels have submitted that they have no objection to the matter being referred to mediation. Full stop. In view of the above, though respondent number 3 is not represented, however, since respondent number 3 are siblings with respondent number 1 and 2, this court finds it appropriate to have the matter referred to mediation. Full stop. Then registry to do the needful.
Item 16.
Your Lordship, we have no objection if the matter is taken up for mediation.
Okay, yes, government?
Lordship, we do not have any objection.
Okay, Ms. Mary Adkante, learned government advocate for the state appellant is present along with Ms. So-and-so appearing on behalf of her senior, Mr. Efla Lengdiana, learned counsel for the respondent. The same order, parties not object, so-and-so, okay. Copy paste the previous orders.
Item 17.
Lordship, we do not have objection.
Okay, then Bilaram Nemi and
My Lord,
Ruth.
for respondent number 1, attempt was made through mediation and it was unsuccessful, my Lord. And
Do you want to make another attempt? Almost successful? What, are you brothers
anyway, my
and
Lord.
sisters or
Yes,
what?
we are related,
Yeah.
my lord.
So make another attempt.
Okay, all right.
You this thing, you inform your clients, it's in their best interest if they come to some settlement, okay? Winning a case through a court decision, it's okay, you can, even if you win the case, materialistically, you may be better off, but when your relationship is spoiled, it doesn't really pay, okay? It's better if you can come, you will have the peace of mind, that's more important, isn't it? Okay, so same, so-and-so. Then Miss so-and-so for respondent number 1. Okay, are present, no objection. Then same, copy paste. Okay, just the names will be different for the councils. This is item number 17. So you are for respondent number 1, and then government advocate is for 2 and 4. Okay. Rest is the same. Yes.
Item 18.
My Lord, in this matter also, attempt was made and it was unsuccessful.
You're for the respondent. Who's
Yes,
for
ma'am.
the
I'm
Why
for-
couldn't you settle the matter? Yes. Why?
Also, we have no objection to send it. As 5/4/2022, it was sent to Lok Adalat. It was 3 years back.
So maybe after some time. Okay, Mr. Johnny, and then Ms. Ruth appear for the respondents number 1 and 2. Okay, then same order, no objection.
Item 19.
Can you settle? What is the matter about?
The matter, Your Lordship, is about claim for compensation, Lordship.
Oh. Compensation
My Lord.
for some landed property.
Yes, my landed property was included in the expanded area of Dampa Sanctuary, my Lord.
Oh.
I am
yes,
now owner of
yes.
LLC, Lordship.
So do you think you can settle the matter? Have you taken instructions? An attempt can be made, isn't it? Give him some amount. Anyways, again, is present along with so-and-so, parties not objected, this for mediation, registry to do the needful, same order.
Your Lordship, apologies for item 4. I was on like in the other courts, sorry.
Okay, what was for?
Item 4, I was
What
not
order
here,
did
Lordship.
we pass?
Yes, order was passed in my absence, Your Lordship.
Okay,
Apologies, Your Lordship.
oh, that's okay. Mhm. Yes.
Part 2, item number 1.
Oh, it's been fixed for today, Mac appeal.
My lord, I wish to bring to your lordship's notice that the respondent advocate, Mr. Arla Lompuya House, was engulfed in a fire yesterday. So this unforeseen event may have a material bearing on the proceedings. So I humbly pray for short adjournment.
Okay.
to
Is
allow
your
us
name
time.
here in the cause list?
No, my lord.
Okay, Miss So-and-so, appearing on behalf of her senior, Mr. Eflal Engliana, learned counsel for the appellant, submits that since she has been informed that the counsel for the respondent would not be able to appear due to what, bereavement?
No, my lord. His house was engulfed in fire yesterday.
Okay, due to some personal difficulty. She has prayed for, she has prayed for adjournment. Oh, in view of the above, list the matter after 3 weeks. Okay. Oh, okay, this is the incident.
Uma. Yes, my lord.
Yeah, December Bokon.
Bongkon.
Bong.
Bongkon Simbeng. Yes, Mr. Arlel Ompuya. Yes, my lord. Very unfortunate, yes.
Items 3 to 5.
Lordship, these 3 cases refers to one accident, and the main ground of appeal in this case is, Lordship, the insurance policy which was issued in favor of the accident vehicle was liability on the policy, and which does not cover the passenger, the occupants of the accident. Yes. The policy is, Lordship, the policy is at page 32 of the LCR. Yes. Yes, Your Lordship. As per the, yes, the insurance policy was private car liability only policy. Yes. Yes, Your Lordship. So no additional premium was paid for passengers. So if it is that, if it is the case, it does not cover the passenger of the car, which is a private car. Yes. Actually, there were 4 deceased in the accident vehicle. One is the owner of the accident vehicle, and the rest 3 are the passengers. So, yes. No extra premium was paid. Yes.
Stability, private car liability only policy. Then we are saying that the liability is only for the car, not the passengers. Is it? Is that it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
How much was paid? Paid more than including drivers.
Including driver, yes, Lordship. Seating, including driver, 5 persons were covered, Your Lordship, as per our understanding. This is the particular of the vehicle insured, which includes the driver along with all the 4 passengers. It is a car, Your Lordship. 1 driver and another 4 occupants were covered. And premium was collected, which is 1,900, which has been clearly reflected in the this particular insurance policy. And that, Lordship, it's in the small column. It's that money has been written premium, CGST, SGST. Lordship, got it? Premium, yes, Lordship. 1,900. Lordship, the learned tribunal had rightly, it came into the conclusion that the premium has been collected from the insured. And this has been exhibited without any objection.
So the policy, look at the first volume. The policy does not cover use for carry to go organized basic.
Yes.
Limits of liability.
Limits of liability.
Only one accident.
Anyone includes the occupants, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, in this case, the awarded amount is 17. No, in this case, 1,53,000. No, the first one, Your Lordship. The first one.
17 lakhs,
Yes.
36.
Yes.
That's it.
Jin Rosang, yes. 17 lakhs 36,000. 30. Lakh 2.
1,53,000. Mac 3 is 17,000. 17 lakhs 36,520. 1 and 3 are same. It's a lots of
What is a senior
fruit.
citizen?
Yes.
The amount won't dispute, it's only whether the
Insurance policy.
policy will cover the passengers and the driver.
Yes. Yes, Your Lordship. Yes. Yes. I'm bringing some judgment, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I would like to rely on this some citation. Your Lordship, yes.
Number one, we did not discuss.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We did not discuss only issue number 3.
Hmm. Roman. Yes. 60. Around 19. I think. Para number 19, Your Lordship. The third issue is whether the claimant is entitled to get compensation. If so, who is liable to pay and to what extent? From the foregoing discussion, it is clear that vehicle Wagon R bearing registration number MZ01Z4141 driven in a rash and negligent and thus hit parapet wall and thereafter rolled down about 400 feet from the main road, causing the death of 4 passengers. As such, the claimant is entitled to compensation on account of the death of the deceased in the vehicular accident. As stated above, the driver and owner of Wagon R bearing registration number such and such were at fault, since the driver of the vehicle held a valid driving license and the driving license was exhibited, and as all documents of the vehicle were valid at the time of the accident, including the insurance policy. All liability of payment of compensation shall be shifted to the OP number 2, the United India Insurance Company Limited. As such, the claimant shall be entitled to compensation in respect of her claim against OP number 2, the United India Insurance Company Limited, and the said OP shall be liable to pay the compensation. Thus, issue number 3 is decided in favor of the claimant and against the OP number 2. The OP Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship, may I interrupt, Lordship? Paragraph 17 is the relevant regarding the insurance policy. Lordship, yes, it has been discussed. In this instant.
Number 17, Lordship. In this instant case, the first issue is whether the claim application is maintainable in its present form and style. The present claim was filed by the claimant, Sri Jean Rosanga and Sri Laurembuata Aizol, Mizoram, claiming compensation for the death of their mother, Demnuni, in a vehicular accident. The claimant stated that on 9/12/2018 at around 7:30 a.m., one vehicle bearing registration number such and such, driven by Lalchuan Oma, son of Thang Dola, late residents of Kadla East, coming from Aizol towards Lamka, had made road accident at the outskirts of Northeast Kodungsei village and rolled down about 400 feet from the main road. As a result, their mother, Demnuni, died on the spot. A case under Section 279/304A IPC were registered against the defaulted driver due to his rash and negligent driving, which amounting to the death of the 4 passengers. From the perusal of the insurance policy, Exhibit C12, the insured paid a premium amounting to Rs 1,900, which has been clearly reflected in the certificate of insurance, and the same was exhibited without any objection. Since the insured paid, yes, Your Lordship, premium is the cost of availing the insurance policy. Without paying premium, no insurance policy can be obtained. Yes. Yes. No need to make objection because the insurance policy itself is not objected, but the objection has the main ground in this appeal is that policy does not cover the passenger of the accident vehicle.
So did you mention that before the trial court?
Yes, In our written statement, Your Lordship, yes. My written statement is at page 42, Lordship. SCR, yes, Lordship. This year. Your Lordship, the relevant portion is paragraph 14. May I read, Lordship? That it is submitted that the liability of the company is subject to the terms and conditions of the insurance policy. The insurance policy issued by the answering opposite party in favor of the opposite party number 1, in respect of his motor vehicle bearing registration number such and such, covers risk in respect of liability on the policy / act only policy. No additional premium for passenger, inmate, occupants was paid by the owner Laram Thara to cover the risk of passenger, inmate, occupants. In fact, the deceased was occupant of the accident vehicle, which was insured under private car liability on this policy. Liability on the policy does not cover the occupant's passenger, inmate of the vehicle, as they do not fall within the ambit of Section 147, Clause 1 of Motor Vehicle Act 1988, since no other third-party vehicle was involved in the said accident. Therefore, the answering OP do not have any liability towards the claimant. Your Lordship. 147 speaks about requirements of policies and limits of liability. May I read, Your Lordship? Clause 1, in order to comply with the requirements of this chapter, a policy of insurance must be a policy which A, is issued by a person who is an authorized insurer, and B, insures the person or classes of persons specified in the policy to the extent specified in subsection 2. 1. Against any liability which may be incurred by him in respect of the death of or bodily injury to any person, including owner of the goods or his authorized representative carried in the vehicle, or damage to any property of a third party caused by or arising out of the use of the vehicle in a public place. So in this case, it covers on the injury to any person, including owner of the goods of or his authorized representative carried in the vehicle, or damage to any property of a third party. And number 2, Lordship, against the death of or bodily injury to any passenger of a public service vehicle caused by or arising out of the use of the vehicle in a public place, provided that a policy shall not be required, 1, to cover liability in respect of the death arising out of and in the course of his employment of the employee of a person insured by the policy, or in respect of bodily injury sustained by such an employee arising out of and in the course of his employment, other than a liability arising under the Workmen's Compensation Act 1923, in respect of the death of or bodily injury to any such employee, A, engaged in driving the vehicle, or B, if it is a public service vehicle, engage as conductor of the vehicle or in examining tickets on the vehicle, or C, if it is a goods carriage being carried in the vehicle, or 2. Section 147.
I'm using 2025. I do not found.
I'm reading 2007, Lordship. Yes. Lordship. Is an operator.
2018. Accident is on 2018, Your Lordship.
9/12/2018, Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship, even if that is the case, Your Lordship. Yes. Yes. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Anyway, so you're saying, if you look at, anyway, so let's look at your points.
Yes, Your Lordship. The first one is the Guwahati High Court 2024 Oriental Insurance Company Limited versus Lucky Mai, Teron P and others. Your Lordship, the facts of the case is reflected under para number 3, 4 and 5. May I read, Your Lordship? Para number 3. The brief facts leading to this appeal is that on 23/1/2013, at about 6:10 a.m. at Tarabasa, Srimati Lakimai Teronpi, claimant, and her husband, Lieutenant Lakhan Singh Hangso, was going from Baloghat towards their residence by a vehicle bearing registration number such and such, Tata Indica. And when they reached Tarabasa, due to rash and negligent driving, the vehicle met with an accident and the vehicle thus against a tree, on which the claimant Lakimai Teronpi sustained grievous injury on her person and her husband died on the spot. Accordingly, the claimant, along with her children and mother-in-law, filed the claim petition for compensation for the death of the deceased, Lakhan Singh Hangso. Para 4. The insurance company accordingly appeared and contested the case by filing the written statement with a specific plea that the policy issued in respect of the vehicle bearing the registration number such and such in favor of the insured is a private car and the policy does not cover the occupants carried in the private car. To substantiate the said plea, the insurance company also adduced the evidence of 1 DW1. Para 5. The Lanet Member Motor Accident Claims Tribunal number 2, Kamrup, Guwahati, after hearing the arguments put forwarded by both the parties, passed the judgment on order dated 21/2015 and awarded the sum of rupees 12,17,800 only with interest at the rate of 6% per annum. Yes, Lordship. So, and the relevant portion, the deciding part is at para number 24, page 339. Lordship, para number 24. So, from the discussion made above, yes, yes, para number 9. Accordingly, the Lanet Senior Counsel for the appellant insurance company has submitted that the insurance company is not at all liable to pay compensation for the occupants carried in the private car, and the insurance policy do not cover the risk of the occupants travel in the private car. It is further submitted that in paragraph number 10 of their written statement, the insurance company took the specific plea regarding the policy coverage for ready reference. The said paragraph number 10 of the written statement is extracted herein below, para 10, that with regard to the statement made in para number 17 of the claim petition, this opposite party state that the policy bearing number such and such is issued in respect of the vehicle number such and such in favor of the opposite party number 1 Sri Gobind Chandra Das is a private car liability only policy, Zone B, and is subject to conditions, clauses, warranties, exclusions, IMTS, and IOC endorsements, and occupants in private car having liability insurance are not covered by the policy. Hence, insured is not indemnified for the vehicle is used or driven otherwise than in accordance with the schedule attached to the forming part of policy being number such and such. Further, it is submitted that the learned member, Motor Accident Claims Tribunal number 2, Kamrup Guwahati, in its judgment, has observed that there was no coverage for the occupants in the insurance policy. And
Your case is different because your premium was paid.
premium, your lordship, premium.
That's what you have to explain. Rest, if it's private car only, policy is not covered. That's the judgment is 24. Private car policy does not cover risks of the occupant. Para 24.
Para 24, yes, your lordship.
But we have to see whether this premium, the learned transport was of the opinion that because a premium of 1,900 was paid, this premium covers private, let's say, the passengers. So I think our case is only regarding the premium that was paid, which is premium. I think that's what if it's only private car policy, they are not able to pay. But when a premium was 1,900 was paid, would it mean that it covers the passengers? Okay. I think that's the only point.
Yes. Your lordship, I think we have to know the meaning of premium. As per my understanding, premium means an insurance premium is the specified amount of money an individual or business pays to an insurance company. From I searched it from Google, your lordship. Yes. Premium is specified amount of money an individual or business pays to an insurance company to purchase and maintain active coverage. So it acts as the cost of the policy for purchasing the policy. So even
The judgment you relied on is private car policy will not cover.
yes.
In this case, we have to look at the nature of the insurance. Whether, because nothing is mentioned here regarding the premium that was paid in this judgment. Isn't it? It's only private car policy.
Yes.
Only private car policy, no problem. It doesn't cover it.
And
The only thing is this, the trial court had mentioned the premium. Saying if a premium is paid, then the passengers are covered.
yes.
So that part we have to see.
Your lordship, a perusal of the insurance policy indicates that nowhere has indicated that an extra premium has been paid.
Premium is for the private car policy.
Yes, this is for the private car policy, and yes, if an extra additional premium was paid, it has to be reflected in the policy itself. Insurance policy is at page 32. Yes, insurance policy.
So you have paid the premium. Besides that, you paid the CGST, and then rounding up to
Yes. GST 9%. Yes, GST 9%. Yes. Yes. No extra premium has been paid. Yes, Lordship, actually, I have another yes, power of citation also. Mm. Yes, yes, that is clear, yes.
The only issue is the premium which is reflected in the insurance document.
Yes.
It says that this premium is for the private car policy and it's not an extra premium.
Yes, it is not an extra premium. That premium is for purchase of that insurance policy. Mm. No, it also speaks about that private car liability does not cover. No extra explanation, Your Lordship. Yes. National Insurance Company Limited. Yes. And the other, and yes. And another one is General United India Insurance Company Limited versus M. Lakshmi and other. Decided on 14/11/2008. Yes. Mm.
Where it reflects that premium has been paid, whether it is to be considered poverty, that is yes. Council for, I think that's it.
Yes. Mm.
Lordship, this regarding the insurance policy. Lordship, as per my understanding, the insurance policy is somehow it's very clear. So here it's written particulars of the vehicle insured. Particulars of vehicle insured, registration number is written, and engine number, chassis, and model type, and manufacturing year, and CC, and the last one, seating including driver, which 5 was written, Your Lordship. If the premium is not paid, usually it was written NA. That means not applicable.
So you're saying when the premium is paid by
Yes, yes. Yes. If the premium is not paid, yes, yes. That's cover all the occupants, including the driver. Vehicle insured means, Your Lordship, that the driver and the other 4 occupants are also included, as per my understanding. So usually if it is not paid, the premium is not paid, it was written NA, which is not applicable in the other insurance policy.
of a private car
Lordship,
liability only policy.
Lordship, yes. Mm.
You have to show me examples.
Mm.
You have to show those examples where if it is only private car liability policy and insurance is paid only for private car, then seating including driver, it should not be reflected in the file, it should be in there. You have to discuss that.
Mm. Lordship, in the Lordship, that Lordship, yes, yes.
So I think, do you have any documents?
I do not have any document at this stage, Your Lordship, but the insurance policy is somehow it's quite clear, and even the learned tribunal had clearly stated that since the insured paid a premium, and as such the insurance policy extends coverage to all the individuals who were the victims of the accident, which includes that in the instant accident. It was then here in the learned tribunal in the paragraph 7.
Which includes all.
Mm.
Because of that, they have come on field.
Lordship.
saying
Yes.
that
Mm.
this premium is only for the private car respondent, the private car policy.
Hmm.
Does not include the passengers for an extra premium has to be.
I understand, Lordship.
That's the main part.
Not this
So
amendment.
you're saying that if the passengers were not included,
Hmm.
then in the particulars of the vehicle insured, this seating including driver, number 5 would not have been included in other insurance policies. If private car liability only policy is
CBS.
made, then this seating including driver would not mention 5 numbers, it would only be
NA.
So I want to see that.
Lordship. And Lordship, presuming but not admitting that if the insurance policy did not cover, and in any manner, they are still liable to pay under the principle of pay and recover, Lordship. Recover from the owner of the accident vehicle. Yes, yes. But the representative is still there. Then they have filed their written statement. So in hmm. Owner died in the said accident, Lordship, yes. It was represented by Lal Thamwana, Bethlehem Way. Lal Ramthara is the owner. Hmm. Son. Owner of the son, registered owner of the son. Lordship. No, son of the owner. Yes, yes. Mm-hmm. First statement.
The council will pay
Lordship, yes.
to show that this premium covers passengers also.
Lordship, yes.
Your Lordship, yes.
Mm.
Without that,
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Your Lordship, in the meantime, if I may, allow to read this once general. That para number 7 of my judgment, that General Manager United India Insurance Company versus M. Lakshmi. Para number 7. Yes. Para number 7, Your Lordship. In New India Assurance Company Limited versus Asa, Rani and others, 2003. It has been noted as follows. Section 147 of the 1988 Act, inter alia, prescribes compulsory coverage against the death of or bodily injury to any passenger of public service vehicle. Proviso appended the... Yes. Your Lordship. Regarding any person, yeah.
It's there, but it is any person of public service. So compulsory coverage, if it is a public service.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Lordship, yes. Mm.
You know, it can be on any person, but in that context, that person.
Mm. Okay.
So now the counsel for the respondent says that if it is only private car policy, then in the description of the vehicle,
Yes.
it should be nil.
NA.
Mm.
As per my understanding.
Mm.
I'll try to get it, Lordship. Yes, yes. I'll try to.
Yes.
Yes,
From
yes.
our side also, I'll try to find out. Your
Yes,
Lordship.
that's fair enough, Your Lordship. Then I maybe that my citation in the next coded or this next coded, Lordship. Here it clearly says that if that is a liability only policy, no premium was paid to cover the owner. But that was my presumption, but not admitting, Lordship. I'll submit in the next code. Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay.
First day, man.
Tumsing pati lahat.
When Mr. Caleb Vineyard, when it counsel for me, along with Mr. Johnny also, when it counsel for the press. the learned counsel for the respondent read that he may be allowed to produce some documents to show that the insurance policy it does not cover the passengers in the project system. Or, what is that? Private car only policy.
Only policy, Lordship.
By the column showing the number of passengers.
Seating capacity.
However, in the second case, since 5 numbers have been noted, therefore, the premium of rupees 10,000.
Yes, 1,900.
Covers the passenger in the
Thursday, Lordship, if possible. Lordship, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Any date, Lordship?
Yeah, any date.
12, Lordship, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.